Planning to go to Batanes? Here's everything you need to know before planning your trip. Save this para ready ka. First, may 3 inhabited islands dito sa Batanes. Batan Island, Sabtang, and Itbayat. So usually, yung tours nakafocus lang around these islands. Sa Batan Island, nandito yung airport which is Basco Airport. So ito yung parang pinaka main island ng Batanes and malaki siya kaya hinati yung tours into North Batan and South Batan. Pwede mo siyang gawin in one day pero if gusto mo chill lang, mas okay na separate days. Usually, ang itinerary is pagdating mo sa airport, diretso ka na agad sa North Batan tour. The next day, South Batan tour naman. Next is Sabtang Island. Kailangan mo sumakay ng boat from Batan Island and around 30 to 45 minutes yung travel time. Usually, morning yung biyahe papunta, so expect na super aga ng pick-up time dahil around 30 minutes pa ang land travel papunta sa iba na port from town proper. Then after lunch, babalik na kayo sa Batan unless magka-overnight kayo doon. Next, Itbayat Island. Ito yung hindi ko napuntahan during my Batanes trip but babalikan ko to. May 2 ways para makarating dito. First is via small plane, which is 15 minutes travel time and around 2,500 pesos plus ang one-way na pamasahe. Second is boat and around 3 to 4 hours ang biyahe and 700 ang pamasahe one-way. Next, allowed ba ang DIY tour sa Batanes? Sabi ng guide ko, pwede naman pero medyo hassle. Kasi may mga permits pa from munisipyo na kailangan mo i-secure and may areas na wala or mahina ang signal so medyo risky if you're navigating through Waze or Google Maps. And maraming blind curves sa daan which is prone to accidents. Kaya ang daming blow your horn signs dito. So mas safe talaga na mag-tour package. When it comes to accommodation in Basco, simple lang, provincia vibes, mostly homestays and inns, walang luxury hotel type. Sa mga restaurants naman or kainan, usually maaga sila nagsasara like mga 8 PM, so better plan your dinner earlier. About cellphone signal, based on my experience, mas okay si Globe. Pero sabi ng locals, Smart daw ang mas malakas na signal, so siguro depende talaga. Pero expect na mabagal ang data dito kahit anong network pa yan. Next tip is to bring cash. May ATMs naman dito like BDO, Land Bank, and PNB. May Gcash sa iba but syempre useless pag walang signal. Kaya better na may cash ka na before going here. So ayun, if you're planning your Batanes trip, this is your sign na i-push mo na yan. Save this for a future trip. Bye!